Hi, this is Susie. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is part of my Christmas series. This is number 5. Right now I'm doing the DIYs on the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. The last video I showed you how I put 2 of the trees together. If you want to watch that, I'll put a link below and one up top. This is my Pink Glam Christmas tree. The little silver bulbs came off of a pick from the Dollar Tree. I just stuck them into the end of the branches. Look like little Christmas bulbs. And some pink pick I got here, I put on there. Got that from Walmart. And the pink bulbs from Walmart. A lot of the stuff I already had in my stash, Christmas stash. And 2 silver trees next to it. Made a little Christmas scene. And a Santa. And a vase with some picks in it. And if you want to join me, I'll link your video below. There's plenty of time. Join me for the Christmas challenge. You can do anything you like. Just let me know in the comment section. And this is Susie, my Christmas series. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.